Hello and welcome to this short video on how you can use ChatGPT to write affiliate blogs. As a blogger, writing content is one of the most important aspects of your job. But let's face it, coming up with new ideas and writing high-quality content can be time-consuming and challenging. This is where ChatGPT comes in. All you need to do is provide a prompt or question, and ChatGPT will generate relevant text that you can use in your blog. For example, if you're writing a review of an affiliate product, you can use ChatGPT to write a product description or a comparison with similar products. The output will be of high quality, saving you time and effort. For example, let's ask ChatGPT to write a blog comparing the Xbox One to the PlayStation 4. Now that ChatGPT is done generating a response, you have a high-quality blog ready to be posted. And that is how I use ChatGPT to write affiliate blogs.